Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Rahmatina Selan from 2025 H class, majoring Digital Business, State University of Surabaya, with lecturer Mr. Nur Syakim SPD MPD. Today, I will explain the result of my article review titled Digital Transformation of Business Models, written by Marcin Kotarba. So, this article is talk about the rise of digital technologies such as the internet, big data, cloud computing, and digital platforms has transformed the way companies create and capture value. And traditional business models are being replaced by more dynamic digital ones. To stay competitive, organizations must adapt to this change. Therefore, a systematic analysis is needed to understand how digital transformation is impact to business models. This article is worth discussing because it talks about the development of digital technology has changed the way organizations create and capture value. And there is still a gap in understanding a defining digital transformation. Thus, a systematic analytical framework is needed for organizations to adapt and remain competitive. And then there's a research question about this article. The first one is how has the shape of the business model changed due to digitalization? The second one, how can the business model canvas or BMC framework be modified to map the difference before and after the digital era? And the third, what strategy should organizations take to remain competitive in the digital economy? Then, I will talk about the method used to conduct this research article. The participant is organizations or industries affected by digitalization. Methodological approach used conceptual and descriptive research instruments from academic literature, consultant reports, industries, case studies, and technology trend analysis. Results: there are significant changes in all elements of the business model canvas, or PMC. The first one is client segment. New segments are emerging such as digital native, digital freelancers, influencers, and dynamic groups. Client relationship evolving towards digital identity management, peer trust, social media engagement, and personalized customer dialogue. Value proposition shifting towards customization, hyper-personalization, agile methods, platform and microservice, as well as cybersecurity. Research evolving from traditional research to big data, IoT, smart device, AI, blockchain, or cryptocurrency. Channels from physical channels to multi-channels, omni-channels, apps, mobile first, augmented reality, and beacons. Partnership evolving into a digital ecosystem, co-working, startups support, sharing economy, and smart cities. Activities expanding into cloud computing, marketing automation, Industry 4.0, 3D printing, blockchain, and transaction. Financial, new models emerging such as premium, pay as you can, SaaS or IaaS, dynamic pricing, fractionalization, ownership to access. And here I'll showing you the BMC or business model canvas. The discussion. The first one is strategic implications. Organizations that can adapt their business model to digital trends will have better chance of surviving and growing faster. Failure to understand and adapt digital transformation or DT can threaten the continuity of the organization. Second, catalyst for change. The emergence of digital platforms and ecosystem has become a major factor accelerating business transformation. Third, scientific contribution. The article offers a systematic framework with an extended PMC or business model canvas, which can serve as a basic for future research and practice. The conclusion. The first one is implication. providing practical insight for organizations on how to adjust their business strategies to remain competitive in the digital era, serving as a foundation for future research on digital transformation, particularly in the use of the Modified Business Model Canvas framework. The second is limitation. The analysis heavily relies on the literature and the interpretation of the author, so the results may vary if tested with field data. And the recommendation for next research, the first one is test the modified BMC or business model canvas to specific industries. Two, develop a more detailed DT reference model. The third, analyze the risk of dependency on global digital platforms. Four, review regulation relevant to digital transformation. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope my analysis can be beneficial for many people. So wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.